It's 2:47 a.m. You're lying there, exhausted, broken, desperate for sleep. But your mind? It won't stop screaming. Every mistake you've ever made. Every fear you've ever had. Every tomorrow you're terrified of. It all comes crashing down on you like waves in a storm. You squeeze your eyes shut. You beg your brain to just stop. But a DOESN single quotes T dot, and in that moment, in that darkness, you feel so alone. So helpless. Here's what breaks my heart. While you're lying there suffering, your brain is literally dying. And tomorrow night, it'll happen again. I need you to really hear this right now. As you're listening to this, there are millions of people just like you. Lying awake at 3 a.m., feeling their chest tighten. Feeling tears they're too tired to cry. They think they're weak. They think everyone else has it figured out. They think something is fundamentally broken inside them, but it's not them. It's their brain being destroyed by a world that never stops demanding more. Every notification, every deadline, every bill, every worry. Your brain treats each one like a threat to your survival. So it floods you with cortisol, your emergency hormone. And cortisol? It's like acid on your brain. It literally eats away at your hippocampus, your memory center, your ability to feel joy, your ability to remember the good moments. Imagine that. The part of your brain that holds your happiest memories, shrinking, dying, while you just try to make it through another day. That's why you can't remember simple things anymore. Why words escape you. Why you feel like you're losing yourself. You're not losing your mind. Your mind is being stolen from you, and the cruelest part? You blame yourself for it. Let me tell you what nobody talks about. When you finally collapse into bed, your body is screaming for rest. But your brain can't give it to you. Because sleep isn't just sleep. Sleep is when your brain is supposed to heal itself. During those deep sleep hours, your brain does something beautiful. It washes away all the toxic waste. It repairs the damage. It restores you, but stress has hijacked your nervous system. It's holding you hostage. So instead of healing, you lie there, hour after hour, watching the clock, feeling your heart pound, feeling that crushing anxiety in your chest, and every night you don't sleep deeply, the damage compounds. The waste builds up. The connections break down. Your brain literally deteriorates. This is why you wake up feeling like you never slept. Because you didn't really. Your brain never got to heal. And day by day, you feel yourself slipping away. The sharp person you used to be feels like a distant memory. You look in the mirror and think, what happened to me? I'll tell you what happened. You've been surviving in a war zone. And nobody told you that you were allowed to rest. But listen to me. Really listen. You are not broken beyond repair. I know it feels that way. I know you've tried things before and nothing worked. I know you're exhausted from trying. But your brain? Your beautiful, resilient brain? It's been waiting for you to give it a chance. There's something called neuroplasticity. It means your brain can rebuild itself. It can heal. It can rewire. The same brain that learned to be anxious can learn to be calm again. Scientists at Harvard took people just like you. People who thought they were too far gone. And in just 8 weeks of simple practices, their brains started growing again. Their memory centers got bigger. Their fear centers got smaller. Their lives started coming back. 8 weeks. That's all it took to see real, measurable change. And you know what the most powerful tool was? Not medication. Not years of therapy. Not some expensive program. Breathing. Just breathing. Slow. Intentional breathing tells your nervous system, it's safe now. You can stop fighting. You can rest. It drops your cortisol. It calms your heart. It quite literally switches your brain from I'm dying to I'm healing. Here's what I need you to do tonight. 2 hours before bed, turn off the chaos. Dim the lights. Tell the world it can wait. 1 hour before bed, put your phone away. I know it's hard. But your brain is begging you. Then breathe. Slowly. In for 4. Hold for 4. Out for 6. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your jaw unclench. Feel your body remember what safety feels like. Do this tonight. Just tonight. See how it feels. I want you to know something. You are not weak for struggling. You are not broken for feeling this way. Your brain has been fighting a war every single day. And you've been showing up. You've been surviving. That takes incredible strength. But surviving isn't living. And you deserve to live again. You deserve mornings where you wake up and don't immediately feel dread. Deserve days where your mind feels clear and sharp. You deserve nights where sleep comes naturally, peacefully. You deserve to feel like yourself again. And here's the truth that might make you cry. It's possible. It's actually possible. Not overnight, not magically, but possible. One breath at a time. One night at a time. One choice at a time. Your brain has been waiting for you to give it permission to heal. So tonight, when you lie down, don't fight it. Don't hate yourself for being awake. Just breathe. Slow and steady. And whisper to yourself, I'm safe. I can rest. I deserve to heal. Your brain will hear you. And slowly, gently, it will start to believe you. Start tonight. Because you've suffered long enough. And tomorrow, you'll wake up one step closer to the person you've been missing. One step closer to peace.
This is critical for your health. Follow these instructions precisely. As you can see, the temporal lobe is key. It's involved in processing what you hear and memory.